Hello, wonderful people. Today's recipe is probably the easiest and the yummiest. These baked chicken drumsticks are so buttery and juicy and so delicious. Let's make the recipe. Start by cleaning the chicken drums and patting them dry. It's very important to dry them before seasoning so that the seasoning holds onto them nicely. The seasoning mix is very flexible, but I'll include mine in the description box. So just measure those out and combine everything. And then you're going to sprinkle the seasoning on the chicken. Very important, do not rub the seasoning onto the chicken, but pat it onto it. If you rub the seasoning, it's going to clump up and it's going to burn when you bake the chicken. So pat it on both sides and make sure to catch all the sides that might not have gotten the seasoning. When it's well coated with seasoning, go ahead and lay your chicken on a tray that is lined. And then another important step, you're going to add about a tablespoon of butter onto each piece. As the chicken bakes, it's going to really get buttery and juicy, and it's going to taste awesome. So yeah, bake your chicken, and without ado, it's ready. So go ahead and baste it with its juices while it's still hot. These juices, of course, are mixed with butter. So baste your chicken and serve it with anything that you wish to. And that is basically the recipe. Super easy. Your dinner will be ready in just 40 minutes. Hope to see you in another recipe. Bye bye.